The nonchalant shrug was cherry on top after using his feet better than I use my hands.
I'm saving some room for dessert. You're my dessert.
I think it's not about the cringe joke, but the finger pop is the crazy ick. My bro is just practicing before he pulls up to the Hooters across the street. I don't care what this ungrateful woman says here because this remix is harder than me right now.
Your head shape would fit nicely into most standard helmets.
Besides his psychotic talking, explain to me why his hand looks like he had too much fun with Mrs. Carey.